How to edit a shortcut on Snapchat. So if you want to edit a shortcut on Snapchat, then first of all you need to open up your Snapchat application, and then you can simply take a snap, and after taking a snap you can simply go for next, which is on the bottom right, and here on the bottom of that search bar you will have the shortcuts, right? So you can simply go for the plus icon, which is on the right side, and here you will have edit shortcut option. So you can simply choose any shortcut that you would like. So I'll be choosing the first shortcut, and here if you want to like edit the shortcut, like if you want to remove anyone and if you want to add someone, then you can simply choose the person that you would like to add, and then you can untap the person that you would like to remove, and then go for save, and that's it. That's how you edit the shortcut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.